Are you looking for the best washer machine? In this video we will show 5 best washer machine. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Kapas KPS 35-735H2 Upgraded Compact Washing Machine. Fully automatic 2-in-1 washer and spin dryer machine, built-in pump and long hose, 8 pounds, capacity 8 pounds, top load tub washer. Capacity, 28 liters. Brand, Kapas. Special feature, automatic, compact. Cycle options, spin, drain. Voltage, 30 volts. Controls type, push button. Maximum rotational speed, 1300 RPM. Fully automatic washer with 1 cubic foot stainless steel tub for top loading up to 7.8 pounds, 3.5 kilograms. Water level controller, preset washing time, 8 wash program to select and LED indicator. 10 minutes automatically powers off after washing. It's more smart and safe for kids and whole family. Special customized import water durable rubber hose with 3/4 screw thread connector for universal family faucet and water tap. Updated pump to washer in 2019, extended drain water pipe. Suitable for more drainage situation, like toilet, sink, bucket, bath. Number 2. Portable washing machine 2.3 cubic feet. Full automatic compact washer machine for apartment, 10 wash program, small portable washer for dorm, apartment, RV, home, silver. Brand, Zark. Capacity, 17.7 pounds. Special feature, adjustable. Access location, top load. Color, silver. Cycle options, hand wash. Model name, XQB201A Gray 6D. Included components, drain hose. Installation type, freestanding. Easy to use control panel. This fully automatic washing machine comes with a multifunctional control panel featuring 10 washing programs for water level settings and 8 water temperature options for added convenience. The LED display clearly displays the remaining laundry time, and the child lock ensures safe operation for your family. Smooth and quiet performance. Equipped with an automatic imbalance correction system, our laundry washing machine minimizes shaking and vibration during the wash and spin cycles. This guarantees a safe, quiet, and stable laundry experience, providing peace of mind for you and your family. Perfect for families, this portable washer, with an inner tub capacity of 17.7 pounds, is ideally suited for families of 3 to 4 members. It provides reference weights for various clothing types in the description and images, simplifying the loading process and helping you conserve energy and effort. Compact and efficient design, designed for households with limited space, such as RVs, camping sites, dorms, and apartments. Our washing machine is compact and easy to use. It requires minimal storage space and is pre-assembled for seamless operation, offering a space-saving and efficient laundry solution. 2-in-1 compact washing machine. This portable washer is designed for simplicity, combining washing and spinning in one compact unit. Choose your preferred washing and spinning programs, set the water level, and the machine will run automatically. Enjoy more free time as the mini washer handles your laundry needs. Number 3. Euhomy 1.59 cubic feet. Portable washing machine, 11 pounds capacity, 8 functions, 8 water levels, full-size washing machine with drain pump and LED display for apartments, RVs, homes. Brand, Euhomy. Capacity, 1.59 cubic feet. Special feature, adjustable leveling legs. Access location, top load. Finish type, silver. Cycle options, normal. Controls type, touch. Recommended uses for product, residential. Operation mode, semi-automatic. Portable and high performance. The Euhomy portable washer machine weighs 54.01 pounds and measures 34.57 by 20.87 by 20.47 inches. The 1.59 cubic foot compact washer can wash more clothes at a time, up to 11 pounds per 5 kilograms. The stainless steel drum provides a stable structure and has a built-in removable filter disc for filtering lint and pet hair. Multiple laundry options. This compact washing machine has 8 programs to choose from and comes with an easy-to-use control panel, including soak, wash, spin, air dry, normal, standard, heavy and fast. You can choose the mode according to your needs and set the time you need. Water level selection and setting. This apartment washing machine has a total of 8 water. If you need to add water during the washing process, just long press the water level/spin button to reselect a new water level. The transparent cover makes it easy to view the operation and water level status of the portable washing machine. More considerate design. Long press the program and delay buttons at the same time to turn on the child safety lock function of the washing machine. At this time, pressing other buttons will not respond, reducing the risk of injury. The adjustable non-slip feet enable the top-load washing machine to maintain horizontal balance even on uneven floors and will not be easily overturned by external forces. Number 4. Giantex Portable Washing Machine. 21 pounds capacity, 14.4 pounds washer and 6.6 liters LBS spinner, compact for apartment RV. Brand, Giantex. Capacity, 21 pounds. Special feature, semi-automatic. Access location, top load. Cycle options, spin, drain. Item weight, 30 pounds. Material, polypropylene. Controls type, knob. 2-in-1 twin tub washer and dryer. Getting this machine means you can possess a washer and a spin dryer at the same time. 2 tubs can work simultaneously to wash your clothes clean and fast. 2-in-1 design also provides you with a lot of convenience and saves your time. Powerful motor and built-in drain pump. This machine features a powerful motor, which endows it powerful performance to wash your clothes cleaner and quicker. Compared with gravity drain, this washing machine has a built-in pump drain system which brings you much more convenience to drain water from washer and spinner tub. Flexible timer and 3 mode selections. There is a wash timer of 15 minutes and a spin timer of 5 minutes per load. Just rotate the timer knob as much as you need and enjoy the great convenience. What's more, you can choose the mode of gentle, normal, or drain according to your needs. 21 pounds capacity meets daily needs. This twin tub washing machine is designed with 14.4 pounds capacity for washing tub and 6.6 pounds capacity for drying tub. It can accommodate your shirts, jeans, sweaters, underwear, or jacket to meet your daily needs. Compact size and wide application, with size of 25 inches by 15 inches by 28.5 inches, the space-saving washing machine can be placed in limited corners easily, so it is very suitable for dormitories, small apartments, RVs, or anywhere with limited rooms. Meanwhile, its compact size also ensures its low energy consumption, which helps you save much energy. Number 5. Giantex AP20313 Portable. 20 pounds capacity combo, 12 pounds washer and 8 pounds spinner, compact for apartment RV, gray and white washing machine. Giantex AP20313 Portable, 20 pounds capacity combo, 12 pounds washer and 8 pounds spinner, compact for apartment RV, gray and white washing machine. Brand, Giantex. Capacity, 12 pounds. Special feature, semi-automatic. Access location, top load. Cycle options, spin, drain. Controls type, knob. Operation mode, semi-automatic. Portable washing machine. Giantex washing machine design has separate wash timer, wash selection, and spin timer. You can decide the washing time, washing mode, and spin time based on the clothes you need to wash. The humanized design helps you save water, power, and soap. Your clothes will be washed cleaner than other washers. Powerful spin dryer. The superb efficient spin dryer can dry your clothes quickly, taking 97% of the water out. You will be surprised by this powerful working. Washing clean function. The more powerful is the motor, the cleaner is your washed clothes. We specially customize a super powerful motor to give you impressive clean washing. This high-quality motor failure rate is lower than others and also more power-saving. Large load capacity, it holds 20 pounds, 12 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning, for each load, which is spacious enough for your loads. If you live in an apartment, this is a must-buy for you because it is space-saving and also works relatively quiet for you. Release your hands, convenient for home use. You can see the washing state through the lid and stop filling water by yourself. With the handles on both sides, you can move it easily. Packed with all parts and detailed instruction, assembly is easy for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.